Hello, how you doing? Today we're going to make an egg curry with potato, coconut, fantastic spices, really easy and super delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Ray. Okay, we're going to go straight in on this one just to get the potatoes ready. So I've got 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using corn oil today. Here I've got 3 red chilies dried and 3 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. And then straight away I'm going to put in 3 cups of potatoes. You can see what I've done there. I've peeled them and cut them quite small. So in they go. Above medium heat, we're going to go for like 4 minutes or so, just to give them a head start. Then I'll show you the other ingredients. So while our potatoes are on their way, let's take a look at what we have here. Now I've got hard-boiled eggs here. I've got 9. You don't have to put 9 in. I'm going quite heavy on egg. Up to you how many you want to put in, maybe 1 or 2 per person. 400 ml, which I think is about 14 fluid ounces of coconut milk, 1 cup of onion, 1 cup of tomato, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons garam masala powder, and coriander. Let's get moving. So these are coming on nicely, still quite hard. We're now going to add that 1 cup of onion. I'm also going to get in some salt. And we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Great stuff. Let's get that 1 cup tomato in. The 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And our spices. Let's just take another look. We've got 2 chili, 1 turmeric, 2 garam masala powder, 2 coriander. Now I'm not adding any fresh chilies into this. If you wanted to, of course, go for it. I'm just opting out today. We've got our dried chili in there and our chili powder. So for me it's going to be okay. We're now going to go for another 4 to 5 minutes, see if we can get those tomatoes to break down a little bit. Fabulous. Next up, 1 cup of water. In that goes. And let's continue cooking for another 3 minutes or so. Great stuff. Next up, we're going to add in our coconut milk, 400 ml, which I think is 14 fluid ounces. We don't do that in the UK or Europe. I know you guys in America do your fluid ounce thing. I think I'm correct. And then we're going to get our eggs. We're going to pop them in. We're going to put this on a low heat, nice simmer for about 5 or so minutes, or until your potatoes are really nice and tender. You can give it a stir every now and then, but you've done it, it's delicious. So if you wanted, you could have sort of added some cilantro or coriander to that. I'm just opting out today, but that is beautiful, nice, easy, fairly cheap, delicious. See you soon, lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.